check. What am I trying to say? See, a Chanda in her natural habitat. Hey there, welcome back. And before y'all get on my head, I know it's been a minute, but your girl been going through some things called life. But yes, we're back. And today, it's going to be a little bit of a rant. But I hope that it sheds light on a few things and helps you kind of see things from a different perspective. All right, so stay tuned and be along for this ride as we unpack these thoughts. Some of you may know, and some of you may not know, I am Nigerian American. My father is born and raised in Nigeria. My mother, Black African American, raised in Oklahoma. Gives me the best of many cultures, of many worlds. It's something that I pride myself on. I love both of my cultures. But today we're talking about the African culture. And something that I hear people say a lot is, ooh, I want to go to Africa. Like, I've heard a lot of people say that recently. I want to go to Africa. But my question is, where in Africa do you really want to go? Africa is huge. Huge. There are 54 countries on the continent of Africa. Where is it you're trying to go? I'm just trying to understand. And I pose this question because when you hear people traveling to European countries, they have no problem saying, oh, I want to go to Paris, or, oh, I want to go to Saint-Tropez, or I can't wait to go visit the Swiss Alps. Even that narrows it down into a region. But when people talk about visiting Africa is, oh, I just want to go to Africa. Where do you want to go? Okay. I'm just trying to understand, because Africa is huge. It has many different cultures, many different languages, many different foods, just a whole bunch. So even if you were to break it down into regions, north, south, east, west, central, even that, I could understand that more. Oh, I want to go visit West Africa. Okay, cool. We're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. But where? Okay? There are so many different varieties. West Africa and East Africa, like night and day. They're like night and day, honestly. Northern Africa is literally, we can have a whole nother video on just Northern Africa of itself. I'm saying be specific just because that's how you make smart goals. When people say, I want to visit Africa, to me, it doesn't sound like they're being genuine. It doesn't sound like that's something that's going to actually happen, because it's not a smart goal, right? It's not, first one, specific. You're not being specific about where it is that you want to go. Is that you're not being specific. It's really not really measurable. We can go through the SMART goals. That's my, STEM side pushing through, but that's not what this video is about. So I gotta reel it back in. It makes me feel like it's just not gonna happen. And I really do. I feel like everyone should visit Africa, whether you're African or not. I feel like everyone should visit Africa, just because it's such you can't describe the experience. You can't describe the experience, especially for people of color. Going into any of the countries and seeing that it's a whole country of people that look like you. Some people may have grown up in, neighborhoods where people that live in the neighborhood look like you, but we're talking about an entire country filled with people that look just like you. Not only do they look like you, but they're going to welcome you too. I don't think that I've ever heard somebody say, oh, they went to any African country and they didn't feel welcome. They didn't feel like they were at home. They're going to welcome you no matter what your purpose is for going. And when you go, you can go for different reasons, okay? You can go just to go, just to say, hey, I went to Africa, and that's fine. That's fine. You can go because maybe you've done your 23andMe or your Ancestry.com or what have you and figured out that your roots lead back to Africa. That's A-okay too. You could just want to, live the bougie lifestyle that you do and you want to go to resorts. Because yes, there are resorts in Africa. Okay? You can live the city life, you can live the village life, you can live the middle class life while you're over there. You could experience it all while you're there. It's just a matter of trying to plan it in advance as much as you can. Do your research. If you have someone that is from those countries that you can go with, great. If not, hey, do your research, because there's some, just like in the States, there's just some places that you shouldn't go. You know what I'm saying? But just be smart. Just be smart. This also ties into the t-shirt that I'm wearing today. This is our African Cities tee, and this is my own personal bucket list on a t-shirt. Okay, these are places that I want to visit at some point in my life that are in Africa. All right, so we have Lagos, obviously. I'm Nigerian. I have been to Lagos, but Niger must be on this list, okay? I cannot sell a t-shirt so that Niger is not there, okay? So Lagos is there, Addis Ababa is there, Cairo is there, Dar es Salaam is there, Accra is there, and Johannesburg is there. And for those of y'all that aren't sure, there's more to South Africa than just the country, South Africa. Some people just really need to get out a map. Once you get done watching this video, there's nothing wrong with you clicking on opening a new tab and just opening up Google Maps and just refresh yourself. It's okay. No one's gonna know. What do they have to offer? Different geological features, different food profiles and spices, different cultures, different holidays, even different religions. There's so much. There's so, even within my home country of Nigeria, there's a lot there. Typically, when I would travel to Nigeria, it would be just to Lagos, where the international airport is, and then to Enugu in the east, what's where my family resides. Never been to any other place purposefully inside of Nigeria. And my husband and I, for our honeymoon, he took us across Nigeria. We went to a handful of different cities that he and I had never been to before. And it was amazing just to see all the different variations within the same country. It was amazing. I had a good time. He had a good time. He, born, raised, all his life has been in Nigeria and never been to some of the places that we've been. So it was definitely an experience, definitely a highlight. So that would be another point I would put into this video, is that even if you are from an African country and you have went to go visit family and friends in that country, if you haven't explored the other cities within your country, you should do that. You should do that. It's an experience. Once again, the bottom line, y'all not gonna turn this into a video where I watched the Jobim Clothing YouTube channel and she said that we should go deep into the Sahara Desert to go explore by ourselves. That's not what I'm saying. Whatever it is that you choose to do, be smart, do your research, ask questions, okay? So next time you open your mouth to say you want to travel, okay, that you want to go somewhere, I'm trying to go to wherever, I want you to be specific, okay? Bring that down a little bit, because Africa is large, okay? I want to visit East Africa. I want to visit Kenya. Cool. It's possible. You can do that. I would respect that more. I'll say that. If you just say I want to visit Africa, I'm not going to believe you. I'm not going to believe that you don't want to. I'm just not going to believe that it's going to happen. But hey, that's just me. Thank you for joining me again on another Thursday. I'm going to get back to doing uploads each and every Thursday, so I can't wait to see you next week. All right? I always do this. I always record a whole video, and don't be telling y'all to like, comment, and subscribe, because that's how this channel grows. Also, in the comments, where is somewhere in Africa that you want to go? Where is somewhere, and don't say Africa because I'll delete your comment, but where in Africa do you want to visit at some point? Put that down in the comments. I hope you guys have an amazing day. See you next week.